We embark on a journey into the captivating realm of 2024's most talked about innovation, AI robots. While headlines paint dazzling portraits of rosy Jetson-esque assistants, it's crucial to peel back the promotional veneer and unveil the 10 lesser-known truths embedded within these mechanical marvels. Segment 1, Super Sentience. Not on this year's roadmap. Hollywood may have conditioned us to fear sentient robots, but rest assured, 2024's models are closer to sophisticated Roombas than Terminators. Their advanced learning capabilities excel at pattern recognition and complex task execution, not existential dilemmas or robot uprisings. While their intelligence is impressive, they remain firmly within the follow instructions camp, not the lead a robot rebellion camp. The current state of AI robots prioritizes functional proficiency over abstract reasoning. While they can learn and adapt to various tasks, the notion of supersentience or independent decision-making is still beyond the scope of their capabilities. It's crucial to dispel myths and foster a realistic understanding of the current landscape. Segment 2, Job Reskilling. Not job replacement. Automation anxiety is valid, but it's essential to debunk the myth that robots are coming for your barista gig. While they may handle repetitive tasks in industrial settings, the skills that truly matter — creativity, empathy, critical thinking — are uniquely human. So polish your latte art skills, friends. Robots haven't yet mastered the intricacies of foam hearts. Delving deeper into this, the narrative of job displacement often overlooks the complementary nature of human and AI collaboration. While routine tasks may be automated, the emphasis shifts to reskilling and upskilling the workforce to adapt to new roles that require uniquely human qualities. The AI revolution isn't about job replacement, it's about redefining the nature of work and the skills that truly set us apart. Segment 3, Privacy Concerns. Beyond Instagram selfies, as AI robots seamlessly integrate into our lives, so does the volume of data they collect. From daily routines to personal preferences, these assistants possess an intimate understanding of our habits. While this can enable personalized experiences, it also raises serious privacy concerns. Who owns this data? How is it used? Who safeguards it from misuse? These are crucial questions that demand open dialogue and robust solutions before welcoming AI assistants into our homes and workplaces. The convenience of AI assistance comes with the responsibility of safeguarding personal information. The potential for data misuse and breaches requires careful consideration of privacy implications. Establishing transparent policies and regulations is paramount to ensure that the benefits of AI don't compromise individual privacy rights. Segment 4, Ethics. Not just for philosophy papers. As AI advances, so do its ethical implications. Imagine self-driving cars facing moral dilemmas: swerve and hit a pedestrian or crash and harm the passengers. Who makes these decisions? Who's accountable? Developing ethical frameworks for AI is no longer a futuristic concept, it's an urgent need for 2024 and beyond. Exploring the ethical landscape, the scenarios AI encounters in real-world applications demand ethical considerations. From autonomous vehicles to medical decisions, defining ethical guidelines ensures responsible AI deployment. Engaging in discussions surrounding moral choices made by AI systems is essential for fostering trust and accountability in the evolving technological landscape. Segment 5, Bias, more than a fashion faux pas. AI robots learn from the data we feed them, and unfortunately, that data can be biased. Imagine a job-finding robot trained on biased hiring practices — guess who doesn't get called for interviews? We must ensure AI systems are trained on diverse datasets and equipped to identify and combat bias. Otherwise, these robots risk amplifying existing inequalities and creating a new wave of ethical complexities. The unintentional bias embedded in AI systems is a critical concern. Recognizing and rectifying bias requires a concerted effort to diversify training datasets, implement bias detection tools, and continuously refine algorithms. Addressing bias is not just a technological challenge but a societal imperative to create fair and equitable AI systems. Segment 6, Explainability, not just a luxury feature. Imagine an AI robot making a critical decision in healthcare or financial trading, but how do we know why it made that choice? Transparency and explainability are crucial for building trust with AI. We need to understand how these systems work, not just accept their opaque verdicts. Otherwise, AI risks becoming a powerful but unaccountable force in our lives. The complexity of AI decision-making requires transparency to instill confidence in users. Knowing how and why AI systems arrive at specific decisions is essential, especially in high-stakes applications. The demand for explainable AI goes beyond a luxury feature, it's a fundamental requirement for responsible AI deployment. Segment 7, Human-Robot Collaboration, the Dream Team. Not the Dream Thief. Forget RoboCop patrolling the streets. The real AI revolution happens in our homes and workplaces. Imagine surgeons assisted by AI-powered robots that perform delicate procedures with superhuman precision, or factory workers collaborating with robots that handle the heavy lifting, freeing humans for more creative tasks. The future isn't humans versus robots, it's humans and robots working together, amplifying each other's strengths. The synergy between humans and robots is reshaping industries by leveraging the strengths of both. Collaborative robots, or cobots, enhance human capabilities rather than replace them. The future workplace is a dynamic ecosystem where humans and robots collaborate, each contributing their unique skills to create a more efficient and innovative environment. Segment 8, Personalization, the AI butler in your pocket. The robots aren't coming to steal your job, they're coming to be your personalized assistants. Imagine AI companions that learn your needs and preferences, anticipating your every move like a supercharged butler. These robots won't replace friends and family, but they can offer personalized support, companionship, and even tailored therapy. Delving into the realm of personalization, AI robots are evolving into intuitive companions. They learn from user behaviors, adapting to individual preferences to provide tailored assistance. The potential for personalized therapy and support underscores the positive impact AI can have on mental well-being, creating a future where technology enhances our lives on a deeply personal level. Segment 9, Accessibility, bridging the digital divide. Not everyone will have equal access to these newfangled AI robots. Cost, technical limitations, and even cultural acceptance can create barriers. We must ensure that AI doesn't exacerbate existing inequalities but instead becomes a tool for empowerment and inclusion. The accessibility of AI technologies is crucial for ensuring equitable benefits. Efforts to bridge the digital divide include addressing affordability, usability, and cultural considerations. Promoting inclusivity in AI adoption requires collaborative initiatives to democratize access and prevent the creation of technology-driven disparities. Segment 10, Responsibility, the true magic lies within us. At the heart of the AI revolution lies a fundamental truth. AI robots are tools, powerful tools, but tools nonetheless. It's how we use them that truly matters. Will we leverage their capabilities to create a more equitable, sustainable, and fulfilling future? Or will we let them amplify our biases and inequalities, perpetuating the status quo? Responsibility for shaping the future lies with us, the architects of this AI-driven era. The choices we make in utilizing AI technologies will determine whether they contribute to societal betterment or reinforce existing challenges. The true magic of the AI revolution lies within our ability to wield these tools with care, foresight, and an unwavering commitment to ethical considerations. And there you have it, folks. 10 Unforeseen Aspects of the 2024 AI Robot Revolution. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of artificial intelligence.